Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the impressive features of the BOSGame P1 Gaming Mini PC, a powerhouse equipped with an 8-core, 16-thread Ryzen 7 5700U processor that turbocharges up to 4.3 GHz, making it perfect for both gaming and light design tasks. This mini PC comes with a Radeon 1900 MHz GPU and a hefty 32 GB of RAM, expandable to 64 GB, alongside a 1 TB PCIe SSD, which can be scaled up to 4 TB, ensuring you have ample space for all your files and projects. With support for triple 4K displays at 60 Hz via dual HDMI and Type-C ports, you can effortlessly multitask, whether you're running AI training, data processing, or media streaming. Connectivity is top-notch with dual 2.5 GB LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2, allowing seamless integration into complex networks and easy wireless connections. The BOSGame P1 also supports a variety of operating systems, including Windows 11 Pro, Windows 10, and various Linux distributions, offering flexibility for all your computing needs. Plus, with reliable after-sales service, including 3 years of professional factory support and 24/7 online customer service, you can rest assured knowing help is always at hand. So, whether you're a gamer, designer, or tech enthusiast, the BOSGame P1 Gaming Mini PC is designed to elevate your computing experience to the next level. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.